So this is a 2022 Honda Civic EX 1.5 liter engine. Today we're just gonna replace the brake pads, front and rear. Code came up for 179. That's for pretty much inspection on the brakes. So far the rotors are good. The pads are not too bad, which you guys will see today, but we're just gonna give it a quick brake pad service. We start by jacking up the vehicle. Okay, that's good enough. Here we have our trusty service truck with all the tooling to get the job done. These gloves. It's a little chilly out here today, but these gloves are pretty warm.
What kind of drill you just use on the board?
Huh? What type of drill? This one here is a CC. It's 12 volts. So aftermarket, but it gets the job done. What was that? Oh, you step on it? Do me a favor. Can you turn the steering wheel front? Give me the stand. The jack stand.